Alright, ladies and gentlemen and gifted animals, it is time for rapid fire math. So, the question is, what is a z-score, and what in the world that means? So, the idea is we answer the question, how many standard deviations we are above or below the mean. So, let's take a look at a question. Looking at Jimmy. Jimmy's a fourth grader who weighs 85 pounds. Let's say the average fourth grader's weight is 75 pounds. And honestly, I don't know that. I have no idea. I'm just making this stuff up. But you get the idea. Let's say the standard deviation of fourth graders is 20 pounds. So that 20 pounds goes in for sigma right there, because that's the standard deviation. And let's say that this 75 pounds, that's your mean, so that goes in for mu. That gives you 0.5. That's it. So the equation, and I would pause the video when the slide is up to write this down in your notes because it's super important. This is also on the formula card that you'll get on your tests, so no worries there. What's on your formula card is the equation at the top, but as long as you know that a parameter is mu and the standard deviation of the statistic is sigma, then you're good. Let's take a look at a problem. So let's say that you score a 25 on your ACT. That's you. And let's say the average is 26 and the standard deviation is 3. Pause your video and find the z-score. Okay, you should have calculated that z is 25 minus 26 over 3, which is 0.3 repeating. Now, one thing to realize is that it should be negative 0.3 repeating because we are below the mean. So, the next thing I want you to think about, and pause your video after I ask the question, is what does that mean in context? Alright, assuming you've paused your video, this means in context that we are 1/3 of one standard deviation below the mean. Alright, way to go, kiddos. Another video is coming at you real quick. Next up, we will be looking at how to use z-scores for comparison purposes.